Hi friends, now we have taken you to a most important place where the pets lover will wish to come to this place. This place is called Kolathur in Chennai, south of the India, where there is a lot of pets been sold in this market. It's called N.S.K.Pets and it's in 13/8 Lakshmi Avenue, School Road, Kolathur, Chennai, 99. And this has a huge market and varieties of pets. Whatever you feel and you are interested, and there is lot of variety of pets available in this market. Let's see by one, closely we go get into the pets and collect those detail and the name of the pets. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can whatever upload our futures video, you have an access to see this. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video. Please press like button, share with your friends, give your comments, and please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.